Welcome to Module 10, the final lesson of the Coinbase course. Now that you know how to create your account, secure it, buy crypto, use Coinbase Advance, send, receive, and withdraw, automate your investments, it's time to put everything together into a long-term crypto strategy that actually works. This module gives you a clear, reputable plan used by long-term investors. Let's get into it. The goal: long-term wealth, not short-term luck. Crypto is emotional. People chase pumps. People panic during dips. But long-term investors build wealth by following a system, not feelings. Your goal is simple: buy consistently, store securely, and hold long enough for the market cycle to reward you. This is how people win in crypto. Choose your core assets. The safest strategy is to focus on proven assets, not random coins. Your core positions should be Bitcoin, primary long-term hold; store of value, most secure network in the world, institutional adoption; Ethereum, smart contract backbone, largest ecosystem in crypto, thousands of apps built on top of it, strong long-term demand. Everything else is optional. Your foundation is BTC and ETH. Decide your monthly investing budget. Pick an amount you can invest consistently. $20 a week, $50 a week, $100 a week, or whatever fits your income. The key isn't the amount. The key is consistency. Your weekly recurring buy from Module 5 plugs in here perfectly. Automate your strategy with recurring buys. Set up recurring buys for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Choose weekly or monthly, depending on your budget. This removes fear, greed, hesitation, guessing. Automation is your superpower. Use Coinbase Advance for better long-term prices. Once you're comfortable, use limit orders to buy dips. Use market orders only when needed. Avoid paying retail fees by using advanced mode. This keeps your costs low and improves your average price over time. Store long-term holdings securely. You have two secure options: Coinbase Vault, best for large holdings, 48-hour withdrawal delays, plus multi-approval. Send to a hardware wallet. For users who want maximum self-custody, Trezor or Ledger works perfect. The key idea: you should not actively trade your long-term holdings. Decide when you will take profits. Here's how smart investors plan exits. Sell small amounts during market peaks. Never try to sell the exact top. Keep most of your long-term positions invested. Convert profits into stable coins or USD when needed. A simple system is: take small profits when Bitcoin hits new major milestones. Example: when BTC hits 75K, when BTC hits 90K, when BTC hits 100K. This way, you aren't guessing, you're following rules. Keep your account and devices secure. Your long-term strategy only works if your security is strong. Follow Module 9. Turn on two-factor authentication. Use strong passwords. Avoid scams. Protect your phone and email. Never share recovery phrases or codes. Security is part of your investment plan. Track your progress monthly. Once a month, check your recurring buys. Check your average costs. Review your long-term holdings. Adjust your amounts if your income changes. Stay aware of big news events. This keeps you informed without becoming addicted to charts. The mindset that wins. Here's the mindset long-term investors use. You don't chase pumps. You buy consistently. You ignore short-term noise. You store safely. You take profits strategically. You hold long enough to benefit from full market cycles. Crypto rewards patience more than skills. This completes Module 10, building a long-term crypto strategy. You now have the knowledge, the tools, the security, the investing systems, and the confidence to build a real long-term crypto portfolio using Coinbase.